Brickyard 4713, Tango cross runway 27 right, taxi straight into 1, contact ramp tower.
Alright, we'll cross 27 right on Tango to ramp tower, Brickyard 4713.
Tower Delta 2343.
Delta 2343, Atlanta tower.
Yeah, we're taxiing on Lima. I just gotta stop for a second so we can adjust something. Give me 30 seconds.
Delta 2343, thank you. Hold short of Lima 12.
Hold short of Lima 12, Delta 2343.
And I have to ask Delta 2343, do you require any assistance?
No, sir. Do not require assistance. The flight attendant's harness is jammed in the cockpit door. You like that? I know. I could have said anything, but I said that. So glad they're recording this.
Oh, I'm going to have to transcribe that one.
There you go.
American 2085, got that fucker.
Search American 2085.
Delta 2400, RNAV to football, or 27 right, so stay on.
RNAV to football, clear for takeoff, 27 right, Delta 2400.
And Delta 2343 is all sorted. We're ready to continue.
Delta 2343, outstanding. Continue.
2343 will go.
Delta 1969, Atlanta tower, good morning, runway 27 right, light up white.
Light up white, 27 right, Delta 1969.